Hi, I'm Vinny. I'm one of the salespeople here at Gordon Chevrolet. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your phone up on a Chevy product. So to connect your phone, you're going to go to Settings right here. So you hit Settings, and then you'll go to Connections. Then you go to Phones, and then you'll click Add Phone. It'll say Bluetooth pairing, and you'll go back to your cellular device, and you'll click My Chevrolet because that's where it says to click. It's going to send a 6-digit code, so you hit Pair on both devices. And then you'll hit allow for your contacts to sync to the screen so you can make phone calls. And as you can see, it's connected. It'll ask you whether you want to do your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on which phone you have. You'll click enable, and then you'll go back to your phone, whether it's Apple or Android. It'll ask if you want to connect to the CarPlay or Android Auto. You'll hit connect, and then just give it a few seconds to load, and then it'll load up your screen right here. Again, my name is Vinny from Gordon Chevrolet. If you have any questions, comment below on the video or come by and see us. We can't wait to see you.